Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Before diving in, just a quick disclaimer that every single information I'm going to share with you in this video is based on my own research and personal experiences. So this is not a sponsored content, so I will try to give you an honest review and an unbiased take. So let's get straight into it. So in today's video, we're going to do a quick and in-depth review of iPostal1.com. So iPostal1.com is basically an online platform that provides you with a feature of digital mailbox service worldwide. It has 4,000 plus real physical street addresses, and as you can see, it has a lot of features. It provides you with the individual and family membership. It provides you with a small office and home business. So whatever suits your needs and wants, it will provide you a plan according to that. As you can see, their pricing is also very affordable and up to the mark, and they are providing a lot of features. Like they have a rating of 4.6 out of 5 on the site Jabber, and on based on Google reviews they have 4.6 out of 5. I've also confirmed this as well. And once I tried to search for their office and the physical address, I came to know that the domain name is actually registered and they do have a proper physical office in the US. So now let's dive in and find out what are the ratings of reviews of the people on Trustpilot. As you can see, it has a 4.2 rating out of 5, which is based on 8,237 reviews. So in my opinion, it is an excellent review rating store. Why? Because 8,000 people have already rated it, which means a lot of people are very much satisfied based on the 4.2 rating. And on the whois.com, as you can see, the domain name was registered back in 2013, which means it has been in existence for a long time, which is also a major green signal. So in conclusion, I would say like this mailbox service is pretty much legit and you should try this. Thank you so much for watching the video and hope to see you in the next one. Goodbye.